didn't really know what I wanted to major in, so I took this class, and it ended up being with Justin Cammy, who is an excellent teacher. And the first day of class, he said to us, you know, there were almost 80 people in the class. It was like one of the biggest classes at Smith. I mean, because most of the classes are smaller there. And he said to us, "Isn't it interesting that there are, you know, over 70 people in this class, and yet my class is on living Jews. There are, you know, I can hardly get 15 students." And I don't know, that really stuck with me.